Good morning, dear students. How are you? After the pre-midterm examination again, we will start our class. Today, we will discuss about fourth chapter. What is the fourth chapter name? Qbasic control structures. We already learned different commands in Qbasic. Let, print, input, CLS, if then else. Many commands are already studied in the 7th standard. Today we will discuss about Qbasic control structures. We already know that all the statements in a program will be executed by the computer one by one in the order of their presence in the program. All the statements in a program executed by the computer one by one in the order of the presence in the program. But sometimes, depending on the condition, we may want to alter the execution sequence, like skipping some statement or repeating the execution of a set of statement, etc. This can be achieved by set of statements called control structures. So, the use of control structures, actually all the statements executed in the computer in the order of their presence of the program. But sometimes we will, depending on some conditions, the program will be changed order or repeating the statement. That achieved by this statement can called control structures. So, all the programming language have control structures for efficient programming. Different programming languages have, so that all programming languages have control structures. Okay. Then Qbasic also have some control structures. What are they? Go to, if then else, while, went, do loop, for next, etc. From this, go to is a unconditional control structures. If then else is a decision control structures. While, went, do loop, for next are the looping control structures. So different control structures are there. Go to is a unconditional control structures. Then next, if then else is a decision control structures. Another, while, went, do loop, for next, etc. are looping control structures. Then first we will discuss about go to. Go to means during the execution of a program, we may want to skip some statements. So, to skip some statements, that means to jump from one part of the program to another part of the program, or transferring the execution of control to certain position in your program, that use go to command. Okay. So, go to statements is used for to skip some statement. That means jump from one part of the program into another part of the program. Okay. Statements in a program can be labeled, refer them later in any part of the program. For example, this statement L is equal to L plus 1 is labeled R S1. So S1 column L is equal to L plus 1. So this statement L is equal to L plus 1 is labeled as S1. This statement can be referred using S1 in any part of the program. Okay. So to jump to a position in the program, labels are used. Labels specify to what point in the program the execution controls jump. Go-to commands used labels refer any statements. The format of go-to statement is go-to label. Label means name given for a particular line of the program. Then one of the example using go-to statement, print hello. Go to label 1, print hi. Label 1, print word, end. From this program, the output of the above program is hello world. Here I have jump this hi statements. So for skipping this print hi. So this is the use of go-to statements. Did you understand about the go-to statement? From above the example we can understand the print hi statement is skipped. Okay. Dear students, today wind up our class. Today only discussed about the go-to statement and the use of go-to statement and also example. So be study very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.